Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The scam is basically a deliberate and criminal misuse of public funds through various types of securities transactions with the aim of illegally siphoning of funds of banks and PSUs to select brokers for speculative returns. Stop. The latest irregularities in the securities and banking transactions are manifestations of this chronic disorder, since they involved not only the banks but also the stock market, financial institutions, public sector undertakings, the central bank of the country, and even the Ministry of Finance and other economic ministries in varying degrees. Stanza. The most unfortunate aspect has been the emergence of a culture of non-accountability which permitted all sections of the government and banking systems over the years. Stop. The state of the country's system of governance, the persistence of non-adherence to rules, regulations and guidelines, the alarming decay over time in the banking systems has been fully exposed. Stop. These grave and numerous irregularities persisted for so long that eventually it was not the observance of regulations but their breach that came to be regarded and defended as market practice. Stop. Through all these years, the ability of the concerned authorities to effectively address themselves to the problems has been tested and found wanting. Stanza. The consequences of these irregularities in securities and banking transactions are both financial and moral. Stop. During the period from July 2001 to May 2002, the most glaring proof of the nexus between the irregularities in banks and the overheating of stock market which came to light is explained by the graphic representations of the BSE index and the fact that there was a sharp increase in securities transactions during the corresponding period of the banks involved in serious irregularities related with the scam. Stop. What is more apparent is the systematic and deliberate abuse of the system by certain unscrupulous elements. Stop. It is abundantly clear that the scam was the result of failure to check irregularities in the banking system and also liberalization without adequate safeguards. Stop. There is also some evidence of collusion of big industrial houses playing an important role. Stop. It is because of these elements that the economy of the country had to suffer, and while some gained, thousands of crores of investors lost their savings. Stop. The criminality of the perpetrators of the scam becomes all the more despicable as it was during this period that the country was passing through most trying times economically and financially. Stop. An observation that the committee has been constrained to make at a number of places in the succeeding chapters is that for all these, not many have yet been identified and effectively punished. Stanza. The second aspect about which the committee expresses its grave concern is the supervisory role and responsibility. Stop. That supervision failed from top to bottom is both self-evident and is detailed in the report. Stop. Amongst all the witnesses that appeared from the committee seldom came across an instance where responsibility for wrong was forthrightly accepted. Full stop. Over.